The process of nutrition in amoeba, just like its body, is very simple. It is a microscopic unicellular organism, no organ, no organ system. The entire body is in contact with surrounding water. Now, you know it is irregular in shape. There is a nucleus and there is cytoplasm. So, the moment it senses a food material like diatom near it, it spreads its finger like processes which are called pseudopodia. The two pseudopodia kind of engulf the food material. So, they keep on extending the pseudopodia till it is becomes part of amoeba's body. Now, the surrounding cytoplasm will produce enzymes which will act on the food will be digested, then it will also be absorbed. This vacuole is called food vacuole, and finally the waste matter diffuses out and the process is complete. So, which part was ingestion? This part was ingestion. This was digestion. Then there was absorption and assimilation, and this part is the egestion. So, though in a simple manner, but all steps are there in amoeba as well. Even in the other unicellular organisms like say paramecium, it is more or less same, with the only difference that in amoeba the egestion can take place from any point. There is no specific part from where ingestion or egestion takes place. But in case of paramecium, there are special points from where ingestion and egestion can take place. For example, in the egestion in paramecium takes place by cytopage. In paramecium also the process is same, with the only difference that here the egestion cannot take place from any point of the cell, but there is a specific part, and that is cytopage or cell anus, from where egestion takes place. The rest of the process is same. So, do not think just because amoeba is small that it will not be digesting food properly. It has all the steps just like you or me.